this was such a powerful workshop for me. I'd never experienced anything like this. I've, never even interacted with horses in a way that I could in this workshop. And I think one thing that I learned was to be in the moment. You know how I learned around them being so in the moment. And I was also in this moment. So that's my takeaway.
Oh, thank you so much. How can this help you back in your life or at work?
I think one thing that I can definitely take away from the horses is, how when I was walking them,
Yeah.
they listened if I had that mindset, if I had that frame of mind, so they followed as well. So I need to be very clear in terms of what I want or how I want to proceed, and then other people will follow as well. But I need to have that clarity.
Okay. Thank you so much.